Where are you going? Wait, you don't care now? There's the other one. Hey, be nice. Hey, quit chasing them. Let's bring him over here in the grass tank. Hey! Doing pretty good with him. Yeah, good boy. Now. Here, go out and eat some real grass. Go out in the grass. Come on. Go out in the grass. Hey, don't chase him. Where'd the other one go? Nah, they had enough of you. Alright, I'm closing their door. Good boy, huh? Yeah, good boy.